Hope the brightness is okay. Hi everyone, hello. Hey, I know what you're thinking. Just a couple of days ago, she had a mental breakdown. And you're right, I did. I totally had a mental breakdown. And thank you for all of you guys that actually were nice about it. Some of you guys got it, some of you guys didn't. That's okay. We were all entitled to our own opinion. Some of you guys gave me constructive criticism. I appreciate that. And I just wanted to say that I love you guys. And even though some of you guys unsubscribed and, you know, just weren't the most supportive, I understand, I get it. Not everyone lives the life I live, so I totally understand. I feel so much better now and I'm doing good. I'm doing great, so that's good. But anyway, the point of this video. So as you can tell by the title, I have decided to start an OnlyFans account. For those of you guys who do not know what OnlyFans is, it's basically a subscription service where people post content. It doesn't have to be adult content, because I know that's what OnlyFans is really like known for, but it's actually for people to post their content and for their fans to pay a monthly subscription so that they can watch that content that their favorite creator or whatever it is post. So I decided to make one of these, and I know I already made a Patreon, but Patreon just wasn't for me. I feel like I didn't like it that much. I gave it a go and it wasn't it. But so far, the website, OnlyFans, is so much more user-friendly and I actually enjoy using it. I've already posted a couple of photos on there. So I've decided that I'm gonna really run with it and really work hard to grow my fan base. You may be wondering why I decided to do OnlyFans. I see nothing wrong in it. If you guys know me, you guys know I'm a body positive person. I love my skin. I love the skin I'm in. I love my body. I love my size. So I thought this was perfect because I feel like I already post those type of photos on Instagram. Like if you follow my Instagram, you know that my photos aren't like, you know, PG photos. I was like, why not, you know what I mean? Like move them over to here and actually get paid for it. And honestly, I've been sexualized my entire life. So I feel like it's great to have the power now to choose what I sexualize and how I want to be sexualized. You know what I'm saying? So I really am so excited about growing this. I've watched so many videos, guys. I've watched so many videos on OnlyFans and I've done my research and I really want to give it a try. I really want to give it a go. I've heard so many success stories and I've heard so many people like, oh, I made this in a week and I made this in a week, and I'm not expecting that. I don't think that's really like a thing. I feel like with anything that makes you money, you have to put in work. So I've been promoting it on my Instagram. I've been promoting it on my Snapchat. My Snapchat was kind of weird. I had a friend reach out to me and he was like, oh, you're gonna be a porn star. And I'm like, no, actually, like, I'm not trying to be a porn star. I haven't really gotten negative comments about it. Like people on my Instagram are like, yes, girl, get it. Because it's like, they already see those photos of me. Like, it's not like it's a surprise. It's not like they're like, oh my God, girl, we didn't know. Like, I be posting stuff on Instagram. So, but everyone's kind of just like, hey, you know, like, what's up? Like, cool, you know? So basically the very first thing you do when you start OnlyFans is you have to be approved. So you can like make your profile and get your profile picture up, but you have to be approved in order to fill out your W-2, which is for taxes, and to also fill out your banking information. So I've already done all of that. I've already filled out my W-2. I've already put in all my information, and my site is active and live right now. The process was fairly easy and simple, so that's really cool. But basically this is day one. I applied yesterday. I got approved in the middle of the night, woke up, started posting. Now so far I have 0 fans. 0 fans so far. So you actually, so on your profile you set a price for how much you want your subscription to be. Mine's is currently at $25. I know there's people who do more. I know there's people who do less. But I personally feel like 25 was perfect for me. Like the content that you're gonna post on there, I feel like, you know, like your value yourself. Like if you feel like you're going to be posting this kind of content and it's worth that, then like, girl, you know, whatever you feel like you're worth, go for it. And so I feel like I was worth 25, maybe a little bit more, but I wanted to kind of just, you know, not make it too expensive. I just want to let you guys know that I am currently doing a 7-day trial. I wanted to do a 7-day free trial just so you guys can get a general idea of what I'm gonna be posting on there. That way you're not subscribing and then just not being happy with the content. You know what I'm saying? I feel like that might bring in a couple of fans. So 7-day free trial if you want to try it out. Again, I'll put my link in the description. subscription. And then after the 7-day free trial, it automatically renews like any renewal service. And hey, you know, like if you guys are interested in starting an OnlyFans, 'cause I'm sure a couple of you guys have probably heard of it, I will put my referral code as well as my account linked in the description. If you use someone's referral code, 5% goes to the person that you use their code, and then the remaining 15% goes to the company. So it's kind of like you're helping your fellow friend or whoever you're subscribed to, because instead of all 20% going to the big corporation, only 15% goes, and the person you're supporting gets to keep 5. So honestly, I feel like that's not a bad thing. Like either way, it's gonna go to the big company if you don't have a referral. So I think I'm gonna be doing updates on this. So like, you know, this will be like the first week. I'll probably do a video on the first week, how far I've come, how much I've made. I wanna be super, super, super transparent with you guys and just be real honest with you guys and like let you guys know, was this hard work? Is it worth it? Am I making any money? And I wanna give it like a couple months before I make my final decision. I will be doing updates for you guys. So maybe the first week, the first month, the 2 months, you know what I'm saying? And let you guys know how much this is really making me. So if you're interested in following my journey, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're interested in joining my OnlyFans, definitely check out that link. It will be there. And I'll keep you guys updated. Now, so far I have 0 fans. 0 fans so far. So we'll see what happens in a week. I'll update you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget about the links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I hope to see you on my OnlyFans. That would be cool. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.